Hey everyone, welcome back. I know a lot of you are thinking about this whole AI thing and what it means for your jobs, especially in manufacturing.
Yeah, it's a big question, right? Like, what's going to happen to all the jobs? Are robots going to take over?
Right, exactly. Well, today we're going deep into this, looking at how AI is really changing the game in manufacturing. We've got some awesome research here showing what companies are actually doing to prepare and what it all means for you.
It's not just about, robots on assembly lines anymore. It's so much bigger than that.
Totally. Okay, so first things first, how is AI actually changing things on the ground?
Well, one of the biggest things is this whole idea of smart factories, right? So we've got AI, automation, and the Internet of Things all coming together.
Okay, so all these buzzwords we hear all the time. What's that actually look like in practice?
Think about it like this. Imagine sensors on machines gathering data constantly, and then AI, algorithms analyzing all that data to figure out what's going on.
So kind of like the machines are talking to each other and figuring things out.
Exactly. And they can actually predict problems before they even happen.
Whoa, hold on. Predictive maintenance, right? That's what they call it.
Yeah, exactly. So instead of waiting for something to break down, which costs a ton of money and time, AI can be like, hey, this machine's about to have a problem. And then boom, you fix it before it becomes a big issue.
That's incredible. So you're preventing problems before they even happen?
Totally. So, it's all about efficiency and saving money. And this is happening right now, not some sci-fi future stuff.
That's wild. So, okay, this is clearly going to change the kinds of skills people need to work in manufacturing, right? It's not just about knowing how to operate a machine anymore.
Absolutely. I mean, think about it. You're going to need people who can program robots, people who can understand and work with all that data coming from the sensors, people who can troubleshoot AI systems.
Yeah, like a whole new skill set.
Right. And that's where the skills gap comes in, right? A lot of companies are struggling to find people who have these skills.
So what are they doing about it? Are they just like, good luck, figure it out?
No, not at all. A lot of companies are really stepping up and investing in their employees.
Well, that's good to hear. So what are they doing? Like sending everyone back to school?
Well, kind of. I mean, we're seeing all sorts of really cool programs popping up. Like companies are partnering with online learning platforms, universities, even tech companies to create these specific training programs for their employees.
So like tailored to what they actually need to know for their jobs.
Exactly. Think about it. Hands-on experience with the latest robots, courses on how to analyze data and use AI tools, even using virtual reality to learn how to fix stuff remotely.
Wow, virtual reality training for manufacturing jobs? That's wild.
Yeah, and it's not just about the training itself. It's about creating this whole culture of innovation, right? Companies want their employees to be excited about using AI and coming up with new ideas.
Okay, so it's not just about learning the tech, it's about feeling empowered to actually use it.
Right. You want people to be thinking about how AI can help them do their jobs better, how it can solve problems, how it can make things more efficient.
I love that. So it's like this whole mindset shift, not just a skills upgrade.
Totally. And the research here actually talk about something called AI career roadmaps.
Okay, now this is what I'm talking about, like practical advice for people who are like, okay, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually make this my career?
Exactly. And these roadmaps basically lay out like different paths you can take within this new world of smart manufacturing.
Give me an example. What kind of paths are we talking about?
So think about things like specific certifications in, Industry 4.0. That's the fancy term for all this AI and automation stuff.
Okay, got it.
Or leadership programs focused on how to integrate AI into existing workflows. So it's like, whatever your starting point is, there's a way to level up your skills and your career.
So whether you're just starting out or you've been in manufacturing for years, there's a path for you.
Exactly. And the best part is a lot of these training programs are super personalized. So like if you're really into the data analysis side of things, you can focus on that. Or if you love working with robots, you can go down that path.
So cool. It really feels like there's something for everyone here.
Absolutely. But here's the thing, right? This isn't like you learn it once and you're good for life. This AI world is constantly changing, so you got to be ready to keep learning.
Yeah, it's like lifelong learning is the new normal, right? Always got to be upskilling.
Exactly. And actually, the research mentions these really cool AI-powered learning platforms that can actually personalize your learning experience based on like your progress and your goals. It's almost like having your own personal AI tutor.
That's amazing. So if someone's listening to this and they're like, okay, I'm ready to jump in, what did I do? What would you tell them?
Honestly, just be proactive. Don't wait for someone to tell you what to learn. Start exploring, start looking at different training options. There are tons of online courses, boot camps, on-the-job training programs.
Yeah, there are so many resources out there these days. And don't forget, this AI stuff isn't just impacting manufacturing. it's going to change every industry.
100%. So even if you're not in manufacturing right now, understanding how AI is changing the game is crucial.
Absolutely. So think about your own career. What skills are you curious about? What excites you? This whole AI thing can be kind of overwhelming, but it's also full of possibilities. This is an awesome. Thanks so much for breaking it all down for us.
No problem. Happy to do it. It's a really exciting time to be in this field, that's for sure.
And for everyone listening, take some time to think about what we've talked about today. What skills are you curious about? What steps can you take to prepare yourself for this future of work that's already here? We'll see you next time on The Deep Dive.